Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Now this is the highway that was recently opened. It opened on September 14 and it cuts the travel time from Maypen to Mandeville down to about 15 minutes. Now we are going to go through an article where the Transport Minister Darrell Vaz urges responsible use of new highway because the road it's a very nice road, one of the best roads you're going to find in Jamaica, and speeding is a problem on all the roads in Jamaica, much less what you consider like a super highway like what we have here now. With the recent opening of the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, Jamaicans are being urged to ensure responsible use of the thoroughfare and others across the island. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz, speaking during the opening ceremony of the project, recently reminded that there is a responsibility that comes with these kinds of advancements. While we build out the infrastructure, we know that it encourages people to obviously drive faster, but we need to be mindful that that is not the objective. It is more connectivity, Mr. Vaz said. The statistics remind us of the gravity of the issue. Every year, an unacceptable number of lives are impacted by crashes on our roads, main roads, parochial roads, and highways. Families are torn apart, dreams are shattered, and futures are forever altered because of these crashes, the minister pointed out. As of September 12th, there have been 284 road fatalities resulting from 264 collisions. The minister noted that compared to last year, this is a 16% decrease, and he is hopeful that by the end of the year, fewer than 400 fatalities will be recorded, coming from 488 last year. With the busy Christmas season approaching, the minister said, again, I make an appeal that we take it easy and be mindful of our safety. Let us be vigilant, not only for our own sakes, but other travelers, and set an example for the generation after us, teaching them the importance of responsible road use. Together, we can turn this highway into a model of road safety and excellence, setting a standard for the nation and other regions, the minister said. All right, so that's the end of the article. So you can see how straight this section of the road is. It's a very nice road, job well done to all the stakeholders that were a part of it. And this road it currently ends at Williamsfield, just on the outskirts of Mandeville. And it's going to, the next section or the next phase of the road project is to take the road all the way to St. Elizabeth. And then from St. Elizabeth, it's going to go to Montego Bay, and then it's going to go to Negril. So definitely a lot more highways are going to be built. All right, guys, well, enjoy the rest of the tour, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.
Jamaican.